Welcome to Rising Voice English. I am Anna, your learning guide today. We will spend a full hour together. Today, we will build your English path.
Hello, everyone. I am Tom. Many learners think school is everything, but school gives direction, not ownership. You still must practice every day. Today, we show you how.
Tom, many beginners feel afraid. They say, I do not know enough. What should we tell them?
Start with the English you already know. You do not need thousands of words. You need a strong first 100. Common words help you begin speaking. Small words build real communication.
So simple words can still help. Words like I, want, eat, water.
Exactly. Those words already create useful sentences. You can ask, request, and respond. Progress begins with simple language. Learning Bridge 1.
First, remove the fear of starting.
Second, use small words with purpose.
Third, repeat them until they feel natural. Let us begin with listening practice. Many beginners watch movies too early. Then they feel confused and discouraged.
That happens when the level is too high. Your brain needs clear, simple input. Start with language you can understand.
Use videos made for beginners. Use slow speech and clear pronunciation. Use stories, lessons, and short conversations.
Use English subtitles, not your native language. Match the sound with the written word. That connection strengthens memory quickly.
Do not listen for too long. 10 minutes is enough at first. Then stop and reflect.
Ask yourself one question after listening. What words did I understand today?
Let us practice together now. Listen to this simple sentence.
The blue bird sat on the fence.
I see a blue bird clearly. I see a wooden fence, too. That image helps me remember.
Good. Images help the brain store language. You do not need translation every time.
Listen first, understand second, speak later.
Short listening sessions build confidence faster.
Clear input creates stronger learning habits. Now, let us move to speaking. We will use shadowing practice.
Shadowing means copying speech immediately. You hear it, then repeat it. Do not wait for perfect understanding.
Think of it like echo practice. You follow the speaker closely. You copy the rhythm and sound.
Focus on tone, stress, and pause. These are important for natural speech. Grammar comes later in practice.
Let us try a simple example. Tom, please speak slowly.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I want to speak clearly.
I want to speak clearly. That felt simple and useful. I copied the sound pattern too.
Good. Shadowing trains your mouth and ears. It also improves confidence quickly. Learning Bridge 3.
Repeat after the speaker immediately.
Keep your voice close to theirs.
Practice short lines before long ones. Many beginners worry about grammar rules. They ask about do and does. They ask about many small details.
Grammar matters, but chunks matter first. A chunk is a fixed phrase. The words stay together naturally.
So we learn phrases as units. We do not build every sentence slowly.
Correct. Learn how are you as one chunk. Learn thank you very much as one chunk. Learn I do not know as one chunk.
That feels easier than grammar lists. It also feels faster.
Exactly. Chunks reduce mistakes during speaking. You reuse ready-made language.
It is like using large blocks. You build faster and with less stress.
Learn phrases before deep grammar study.
Use chunks in daily conversations.
Repeat them until they feel automatic.
What about practice alone at home? How can beginners use their room?
Use the life narrator method. Speak about your daily actions. Describe what you are doing now.
For example, you wake up and speak.
I wake up. I open the window. I see the morning light. I feel ready to start.
This is simple but powerful. It turns daily life into practice.
Yes, you can narrate while cooking. You can narrate while cleaning. You can narrate while walking.
What if the grammar is not perfect?
Keep speaking anyway. Confidence grows through repeated use. Silence delays progress.
Many learners wait for perfection, but perfection blocks speaking.
Exactly. A rising voice begins with small effort. Then it becomes stronger over time. Learning Bridge 5.
Speak about daily actions at home.
Use short sentences and simple words.
Practice while doing normal activities. We have covered a lot today. Let us review the full plan.
Here is your daily practice schedule. Listen for 20 minutes. Use simple stories or lessons.
Then shadow for 10 minutes. Copy short phrases clearly.
Next, write 5 useful chunks. Repeat them aloud several times.
Finally, narrate your day for 20 minutes. Speak while cleaning, cooking, or walking.
This routine is simple and effective. It helps you build skills steadily. It also reduces fear.
You do not need to be perfect. You need to be consistent.
Every word you learn has value. Every sentence you speak builds strength.
You are already taking a strong step. You are learning on your own.
That is real progress. That is real discipline. That is real growth.
Thank you for staying with us today. You are part of Rising Voice English.
Subscribe for more beginner lessons. Tell us, I am a self-taught learner.
See you in the next lesson.
Happy learning.
Bye-bye.